Great thing about this dish is you can have it all done up ahead of time while you enjoy your appetizers. I've already done my potatoes. I've got my duck fat and Brussels sprouts ready to go. In the oven I keep at room temp my lamb and scallops that we're going to serve. They're just going to go on the grill. I've got my garnishes ready to go. I've got my sauces ready to go. I've got my plates ready to go. And I've got my rosemary ready to go. There you have it. So when it's time to start serving, turn your pan on high, put in some water, cover that, turn your potatoes on. Let's go start the grill. Turn on the grill, make sure all the burner's light. Just a quick rub down. I'm going to shut the top so it gets hotter faster. Start tossing the plates. Fall, winter. Garnishes on here. And we're just going to stir up our potatoes a little bit. They're nice and hot. And because I'm cooking scallops, I'm going to close the grill on this. Make sure you wash up your tray. And you notice, compared to the other one, I'm cooking this at a lower temp because I'm cooking lamb and scallops at the same time. The other one I was just doing lamb. I wanted to do it on a higher heat. Here I'm doing scallops too, so I don't want to do such a high heat because I don't want my scallops to be overdone. Perfecto mundo! Look at those puppies. Are those beautiful or what? Woo-wee, doggies! Those are nice. Oh yeah. Okay, we're done. Voila! Is that beautiful or what, huh? Alright. Just like the other day. Nice plop of potatoes in the middle. Make a nice little spoon. A little hole there. For our Brussels sprouts cooked in duck fat. And then do aioli and lamb and scallops. Those are ready to go. Scallops and lamb. And there is a Four Seasons with a surf and turf twist to it. Very cool.